Okay guys, so customer has sent me a 211 EIS, right? The EIS is faulty and okay. And you can hear the emulator, and as I move this around, it continues to click. And that should not be happening. So sometimes he gets a start, sometimes he doesn't. And that is a faulty EIS. So I'm going to recommend replacement of this EIS. So we'll do some testing and make sure that this doesn't continue happening. Okay, so here's the original. Faulty. And here is our new clone. Okay. Works perfectly fine. Okay. Good to go.